What's going on, guys? I'm Isaiah. Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna playing some Super City Crapix, and then I continued my old game. Well then, oh Jesus, that ever laggy. Well then, I'm gonna start a new game because I kinda have to, and I'll be back when I do that. Okay, so guys, I do not know who to be, so I'm just gonna be. I guess. But guys, tell me who you want to be. Basically. Okay, so I spawn in space. You spawn in the room. I didn't know you could just spawn in space. Is that a lightsaber? Come here. Just did. Put that down. I must tell you. Where's mine now? Okay, I don't think the leader of this place is here right now, because they're like leaders of zones, and you have to take over these. Back up to space, buddy. I saw a guy trying to lift up something. It was an aircraft. The leg. Did you seriously just steal my lightsaber? Wow, he thinks that trade's fair. May I be able to fly? No, because I know you can double tap to jump. Sir, excuse me. Need to get into a fight. Boof. Oh jeez. Ow, ow. Kill me, please. Kill me, my king. I want to get my superpowers, please. Jeez, Big Bob Orson guy. Ow. Oh, that's supposed to be a breakoff of Cowboy Bob Orton. Too much people. Lag. Boom. Becky Lynch. Becky Lynch hit me. Ow. Jeez, Becky Lynch. Didn't know you were this insane. Moonsault right on the spot. Help me. I'm being assaulted by Becky Lynch. I'm being physically violated. Jeez. Can you stop attacking me, Becky? Lord, Becky. Oh, no. Oh, midair drop kick, missile. Drop kick. Come on. Kill me already. Because that's how you get your powers, I found out. Jeez, the leg is bad in this area. Let's leave this area. Commercial break. Okay, I'm going to pause this out. I think I'm going to cut this out. Oh, never mind. Close that thing, please. Add choices. No, thank you. There you go. much, but okay. This area is better, but not the best. Oh, geez. Why are you hugging me, sir? Get on the ground. Oof. There's you. I'm gonna be on by 3 people. Okay, he has the walls of Jericho on me. That seems to hurt a lot. Ah, jeez. Excuse me. Oh, he shot an arrow at me. Ow. Crap, it wasn't my fault. Dear Lord. Jeez. Oh, he's gonna hit me with the baseball bat. Oh, no. I don't feel like Bob Orson anymore. No, jeez, he hit me. Leave me alone! Can someone help me, please? Force! That's not the force. I did say force power. Nyum, 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 nyum. Jeez. This is fun. Didn't think I'd have so much fun in a game where I just shoot laser beams out of my hand and murder people. This place. Did I kill him? I think I killed him. Are you another owner of this place? Well, who cares? You're gonna be dead soon anyways. Get screwed, mate. Look at that. Boo, boo. Jeez, Big Bob. Oh crap, I killed my own teammate. Come here, mate. Oh geez, she tried to victory roll me. This is not how this works anymore. Like, jeez. Pinning people in a world like this does not work anymore. Oh, great! Through the hole, through the hole, through the hole! Oh, crap, the hole's not fully developed. I don't think so. Ah, she sent me flying. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Well, guys, I think that's a good note to end off this video because I don't know what to do anymore after being physically assaulted by these two. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please consider subscribing to join the ultimate death bot army. And of course, oh crap, still being assaulted by these two. But enjoy. And peace the heck out, guys. Goodbye.